Cut out whatever I feel like cutting out.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Miles. Hey.
Yo,
Hey,
let's call it back. Ow. Do you mind? This is my corner.
He's hiding. Mason, you should totally put that wig on. I'm choking on Twizzler. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, yeah. He's cool.
He's super cute. He's super hot. He's the girl you like a lot. He's super girl.
Hey, there's breakable stuff in here.
What is this? Can't find this. Yeah,
Nut shot.
Oh man, you made me drop all my
Can you go get me another Twizzler thingy, please? I love you. I ran out of my Twizzler cigar. No.
I'm not really your mom.
No.
It's your mom.
Wait, how did I come out of you?
I have to smoke TP from my bone.
Yay, banana flavored weed.
You have no mom? That apple should
Wait, did you say bong or mom?
bong. Okay, in drama we have this tea kettle. It's like this one, we could make it anything we wanted.
Ow!
We planned on it being a bong, but we...
Where's your sexy shoes? A tea kettle has a bong.
Yeah. This is your mom. No, that's not true. This is your mom.
You're smart. My room's a mess. Because Miles is in it.
I'm sorry your room's so hot because I'm in it.
Ew, it's all warm over here, Mercedes. God.
It's because I'm hot.
God.
And you're not.
Can you go get me a Twizzler cigarette, please? Here. No, Mason. You're gonna ruin it, and it's not mine.
Here you go, peachy powder.
Thank you. So, Miles, come here. We gotta do an interview. Hey, you wanna do airplane?
No.
No?
Here's your cigar.
Thank you. Put this on my... Here, I'll just put it on my bed.
Quit hitting me. You bad boy. Did you? No, you bad boy.
You bad boy.
You
Hitting
bad
people.
Boy. Oh, this is our special guest.
Mason, that's not nice.
Take it, Nanny.
Shake that thing for me. Shake that thing for me.
She's going, hi. Here's our other special guest.
Not even getting it. Miles. Are you my sexy baby? Hold on. Quit. I don't know if y'all can see it. Ow, that has to hurt.
Lay down.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all are nuts. She smiles about it too. Like my Twizzler. I'm smoking a Twizzler. They're French for Twizzlers.
Monster!
No way.
No way, you just tore out my funhouse paper. I love that paper.
Gosh, Mason. Ow.
I will stab you with my black pencil.
Ah.
Ow. Go, Blinky Man, go.
No, Blinky Man fails. He's come back for revenge.
so good.
Blanket Man wins.
Nope. He runs off.
Adios. Oh, he's back.
Monkey Chachi.
Mason, you like the camera, don't you?
No. He's sexy, you know you want it.
Mason.
Do the truffle shovel. Do the truffle shovel.
Mason, do the, I'm too sexy for my shirts.
I don't get it.
Oh, good.
He's sexy. Let me get chocolate.
Mom,
Go
like
long,
sandwich.
Johnny. Go long. Go.
Fail. Fumble.
Go long, Johnny. Sorry, your name is Johnny?
Hey.
Cheated. That's my head.
Enough. Mason.
You hit me again. I know
Is that your
desk
baby?
is spelled out with
Is that your baby? Mike.
Mason, on the coroner's report, it's going
My
to say you're
football.
got beat by a clipboard.
Corner report. Ready? Oh, fail.
Japanese ripoff.
Mason, wait, I gotta zoom.
Wow.
Hey,
Okay.
Mason,
You forget.
you are surrounded by two
Big, but
females.
my fist is bigger. You'll find out when I pull the trigger. Pretty kill someone.
You turn it.
Over the teeth.